The video is about another malicious website that displays fake human verification alerts in order to make people subscribe to its push notifications. The site is News-vucake.cc. News-vucake.cc indicates that you need to click on Allow, supposedly to confirm that you are not a robot. If people mistakenly do that, they get redirected to some other deceptive and junk sites that may promote some filthy content. And also you will start receiving the great number of pop-ups that would be displayed in the right part of the screen. You should deactivate these ads, otherwise they will just disturb you greatly. To deactivate them, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, go down to Permissions and select Notifications. Now make sure you research the sites that are allowed to send notifications and remove this News-vucake.cc from the list. This should help you fix the issue very well, but I also recommend investigating your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and begin researching your system to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.